Everything fits inside this tiny Japanese camper. Luxury, comfort, and the quiet confidence of a full motorhome experience, distilled into a compact, beautifully engineered form. This is the JP Star Discovery 1, a vehicle that challenges expectations, blending precision Japanese craftsmanship with thoughtful design, and proving that true refinement isn't about size. It's about how intelligently every inch is used. The JP Star Discovery 1 typically falls within the range of $45,000 to $70,000 depending on configuration, offering a surprisingly premium experience at a price point well below many traditional motorhomes. At first glance, the JP Star Discovery 1 presents itself with an understated elegance. It doesn't shout for attention, yet it quietly commands it. Built on a compact van-based chassis, often derived from reliable Japanese platforms, this camper measures approximately 5 meters in length, making it significantly smaller than conventional motorhomes. And yet, that compact footprint is precisely where its brilliance begins. 33101. The proportions are deliberate. Narrow enough to navigate tight urban streets, low enough to glide under most height restrictions, and short enough to fit into a standard parking space with surprising ease. This is not just a camper for the open road, it's a vehicle that integrates seamlessly into daily life. You could drive it through a busy city center, slip into a parking lot, and no one would suspect the level of comfort waiting inside. Under the hood, you'll typically find an efficient petrol or diesel engine, tuned for reliability rather than brute force. Power delivery is smooth, predictable, and quiet. It's not about speed, it's about refinement. The driving experience feels closer to a well-balanced van than a bulky RV, with responsive steering, stable cornering, and excellent visibility from the driver's seat. And no one would suspect the level of comfort waiting inside. What stands out immediately is how approachable it feels. There's no intimidation factor here. Whether you're a seasoned RV traveler or someone stepping into this world for the first time, the Discovery 1 feels intuitive. The elevated driving position gives you confidence, while the compact dimensions ensure you're always in control, even on narrow mountain roads or crowded streets. The exterior design carries a distinctly Japanese sensibility, clean lines, minimal ornamentation, and a focus on function. Large windows are strategically placed to maximize natural light inside while maintaining privacy. These windows also contribute to the overall aesthetic, giving the vehicle a balanced, almost architectural appearance. Along the side, you'll notice a sliding door that serves as the primary entry point. It opens wide and effortlessly, revealing a glimpse of the carefully curated interior. There's a sense of invitation here, a subtle hint that this vehicle is more than just transportation, it's a living space. Storage access is cleverly integrated. Rather than bulky external compartments, the Discovery 1 uses discrete access points, maintaining its clean silhouette while still providing room for essential gear. Whether it's camping equipment, electrical connections, or water systems, everything is neatly tucked away, easily accessible without disrupting the design. Speaking of systems, the Discovery 1 is engineered for real-world usability. Freshwater and gray water tanks are compact yet sufficient for short to medium trips, designed with efficiency in mind. Heating systems, often compact diesel heaters, ensure that the interior remains comfortable even in colder climates, while ventilation options keep the space breathable during warmer days. On the roof, you'll often find practical additions such as solar panels, roof vents, or even a compact awning system. These elements enhance the vehicle's independence, allowing you to venture further off-grid while maintaining a level of comfort that feels anything but minimal. The rear of the vehicle is equally purposeful. Depending on configuration, it may feature additional access to storage or utility systems, all designed with the same philosophy: everything you need, nothing you don't. But perhaps the most impressive aspect of the exterior isn't any single feature. It's how seamlessly everything comes together. There's a quiet confidence in the design. Nothing feels excessive, nothing feels lacking. It's a perfect balance, where engineering meets elegance, and where every detail serves a purpose. And as you stand there, taking it all in, it becomes clear that the real story of the Discovery 1 is not just what you see on the outside. It's what's waiting within. Step inside the JP Star Discovery 1, and the transition is immediate. The world outside fades, replaced by a space that feels unexpectedly refined, calm, and meticulously crafted. This is where the vehicle reveals its true character. The first impression is one of warmth. Soft, neutral tones dominate the interior, creating a serene atmosphere that feels more like a boutique studio apartment than a camper. The materials are carefully selected. Lightweight yet durable surfaces, textured finishes, and subtle accents that elevate the overall experience. Headroom is thoughtfully optimized. While the vehicle maintains a compact exterior profile, the interior layout ensures that you never feel confined. Strategic use of vertical space, combined with intelligent lighting, creates an environment that feels open and breathable. Lighting plays a crucial role here. Soft LED strips are integrated into the cabinetry, casting a gentle glow that enhances the sense of space. Overhead lights provide functional illumination when needed, while ambient lighting sets the mood in the evenings. It's a layered approach, designed to adapt to different moments throughout the day. As you move further inside, the seating and dining area comes into focus. This space is the heart of the camper, a multifunctional zone where you can relax, eat, work, or simply enjoy the view through the large windows. The seats are ergonomically designed, offering comfort for both short breaks and extended stays. Upholstery is soft yet resilient, striking a balance between luxury and practicality. A compact table sits at the center, easily adjustable or removable depending on your needs. It's a small detail, but one that reflects the overall philosophy of the Discovery One: flexibility without compromise. The kitchen area is where the ingenuity of the design truly shines. Despite the limited footprint, everything you need is right here. A compact countertop provides just enough space for meal preparation, while a built-in sink and stove are seamlessly integrated into the layout. When not in use, these elements can be covered, transforming the kitchen into additional workspace. Storage is cleverly concealed. Cabinets and drawers are positioned exactly where you'd expect them, each one designed to maximize capacity without cluttering the space. There's a satisfying precision to it all. Every item has its place, and every inch is accounted for. Appliances are compact yet efficient. A small refrigerator keeps essentials fresh, while optional upgrades may include additional cooking or storage features. It's not about excess, it's about having exactly what you need, exactly where you need it. Moving toward the rear, the sleeping area reveals itself. This is where the Discovery One quietly redefines expectations. In a vehicle of this size, you might anticipate compromise. Instead, you find comfort. The bed is thoughtfully designed, offering enough space for restful sleep without overwhelming the interior. Depending on the configuration, it may convert from the seating area or exist as a dedicated sleeping platform. Either way, the transition is smooth and intuitive. The mattress is supportive, the material soft, and the surrounding environment shant and inviting. With the lights dimmed and the outside world just beyond the windows, it becomes a space where you can truly unwind. Storage continues to impress here. Overhead compartments provide room for personal items, while additional storage is integrated beneath seating and sleeping areas. It's a system that works quietly in the background, ensuring that your living space remains uncluttered and functional. The bathroom, if included in the configuration, is a masterclass in compact design. It may not be large, but it's remarkably efficient. A small sink, a toilet, and a shower are carefully arranged to make the most of the available space. Waterproof materials and smart drainage solutions ensure durability, while thoughtful touches, like mirrors and lighting, add a sense of refinement. Technology is seamlessly integrated throughout the interior. Control panels allow you to manage lighting, water systems, and power with ease. USB ports and charging knob are strategically placed, ensuring that your devices are always within reach. Power systems, often supported by auxiliary batteries and optional solar panels, provide a level of independence that enhances the overall experience. You're not just traveling, you're living comfortably and confidently wherever the road takes you. Insulation is another area where the Discovery One excels. The cabin remains comfortable across different climates, with effective temperature control that minimizes external pathogen. Combined with the quiet operation of its systems, The interior becomes a shant sanctuary, whether you are parked by the samudra or nestled in the mountains.